Sony has apologized for the PlayStation 5 pre-order fiasco. I don't know if you followed that along with that, but it was a bit of a mishap on the pre-orders because some of the retailers were like, whoa, wait, are we going now?
Yeah. Walmart did it. Best Buy did it.
Whoa, wait, are we going now? Did he go? Because I'm going to go if he goes.
Yeah.
Did the race start yet? Because I want that pre-order on my site.
Yeah.
So it was a bit of a fiasco, and then people were scrambling, and websites weren't ready, and they were trying to put their product pages live because you know how that goes. You missed the pre-order. It's over. It's gone. It's a one-time deal for you as a retailer. So Sony comes out, and they go to Twitter, actually. And you know what? I'm going to say I appreciate it when a company's transparent. They just get it out the way. They just say, hey, sorry about that. So this is the tweet from the PlayStation Twitter handle. Let's be honest. PS5 pre-orders could have been a lot smoother. We truly apologize for that. Over the next few days, we will release more PS5 consoles for pre-order, and retailers will share more details. And more PS5s will be available through the end of the year. So they're trying to chill people a little bit. We screwed up. We're going to figure it out. We can get you your PS5s. And I have to say, Will, just in my regular life, people are asking me about PS5.
They're ravenous.
People are asking me about PS5. I have messages. Hey, I didn't get the pre-order in time.
Yeah.
What's going on with the PS? Can you hook up a PS? I'm getting this. You're probably getting that as well.
Yeah.
Can you hook? I need Sony. I need to get in touch with Sony. We need to figure something out. But
I don't even have one.
Yeah, exactly. People are looking for PS5s like crazy. So yeah, you're right. A lot of it, some of it had to do with Walmart. Let's see. What does it say about Walmart in here?
Well, I think they tweeted something out like pre-orders are live now.
Yes.
Go get at the site, and people did. But this was before some sort of embargo that Sony kind of had.
Yes, they said it would be the next day, but then I think Sony open pre-orders on its site?
I think they did.
And then the retailers were like, well, easy. You can't be, I don't know. I think that's how it went down.
Okay,
Look, okay, the chaotic pre-order situation kicked off. Sony started its invite-only registration for PS5 pre-orders. Eric Lempel, PlayStation Worldwide marketing head, had previously promised, it's safe to say we'll let you know when pre-orders will happen. It's not going to happen within a moment's notice. And then on Wednesday, they said pre-orders were starting on Thursday. And then 2 hours later, Walmart kicked off its pre-orders. Yeah. So it was Walmart.
Yeah.
Walmart went early.
Yes.
And then everybody went early.
With some sort of tweet. And then everyone just went crazy.
Everyone went nuts. And then, of course, that brings Amazon into question. And that's the next story.